In this video, I will be showing you how to use Perplexity AI to plan a professional content calendar for your blog. Let's get started. First, I'm heading to the search bar to type in a detailed request for a 4-week content calendar tailored to a general tech blog. I'm asking for specific SEO-optimized headlines, target keywords, and suggested publishing dates for each week to ensure the plan is actionable. Once I hit search, Perplexity quickly generates a structured weekly breakdown. The results provide a diverse mix of formats, including beginner guides, troubleshooting tutorials, and buyer's guides, each paired with a high-intent keyword. This layout makes it incredibly easy to visualize a consistent publishing schedule while ensuring every post is designed to rank well in search results. Next, I'm going to use a follow-up prompt to see if I can generate even more specific ideas for my niche. I'll enter the prompt again to get a fresh perspective on the upcoming month. The new results offer an updated set of topics ranging from AI tools for students to cloud backup comparisons and trend explainers. Perplexity even includes brief descriptions for each post, explaining how to align the content with both broad and trending search queries. With this organized calendar, I now have a full month of strategic content ideas ready to go in just a few seconds. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.